See, I would give an intro, but that's too much work right now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Josh. That's Terry. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button on this video.
Don't consider. You have no choice.
Oh, you heard it from the man, the myth, the legend himself.
You have no choice at all.
No choice.
That like button.
Hit that like button. Terry, I gave everybody a sneak peek with a YouTube short and Instagram thing.
Was that the revving?
We haven't put it on YouTube, like officially in a full video.
Yeah.
Please, let's show them the good news.
Oh.
It's already warm! I know I speak for myself. I lost motivation when it came to finishing the wide body. And a lot of it was because the TL just, it really wasn't running properly. But, Terry?
So what happened, right?
We
went back.
We stupid.
We went back and checked our work. And we stupid. We really stupid.
A little bit. A little bit.
But there's a huge upside.
I don't know if you can hear the idling in the background.
It's a big upside and a tiny, tiny downside. But, as you could probably hear, she's running.
She's running. And not only is she running, but she's running healthy. She's purring.
She is purring.
You hear that? You see that? Guys, we officially have the cooling down. The fans aren't on right now, but they do work. We can confirm. And guys, she no longer is stuck at 3,000 revs. 3K, revving to 3K.
She full send.
She full send, baby. She full send. I'm trying to get you guys my full send. She revs past 3K, guys. All right, guys, real fast. Before we get into all the headlight stuff, let me show you guys exactly what's causing the car to be in limp mode. The cam position sensor sits back here. I don't know if you can see it. That's it right there. That's the cam position sensor, that wire, that plug. And you can actually see the sensor right there. Yo, the car was in limp mode, wouldn't turn the fans on, wouldn't rev past 3K. All, why? Because, Terry?
Because it disconnected. It wasn't even connected, first of all. It's a brand new sensor, but it wasn't connected.
It was just unplugged the whole time, right?
Unplugged.
That's why we say we're stupid. Because it was literally the whole time that one plug right there.
And it's a brand new sensor.
Was just unplugged.
But, good thing we went back and checked.
Shout out to this man right here, yo. Because I was like, you know what, Terry? You guys seen we went back to the stock manifold. But I was like, you know what, Terry? I refuse to accept. I'm not accepting defeat, and I wanted to put the 3.7 back on. I gotta power wash this, guys. Don't mind about how dirty it is. But I said I refuse, and I want to put it back on. And when I lifted the stock one off, Terry's like, yo, was that unplugged the whole time?
But it could have been worse.
All right, guys. So that's a whole another thing for another video, but I'm glad to share with you guys that it's back. But today, real quick, we're gonna show you guys a quick new product for you guys, for us, something to enjoy, something to make your visibility a lot better. And it's here inside the Prelude. Today's video technically has been sponsored by AUXITO. All right, so AUXITO.
Ooh, that's some Bugatti gloves.
Bugatti gloves, white glove treatment. Check this out. Terry's car is getting LEDs. We're swapping out the old HIDs for some LEDs.
Yeah, you might have to take the headlights out. These are beefy.
Oh, those are beefy.
God damn.
All right, so quick little before. And I know it's still light out, but it's dark enough where you can tell. So Terry, hit him with the quick before. These are his headlights.
Those are 65, I think?
Yes, these are 65, 6.5K HIDs. These were out of my old
MDX.
MDX. So, I mean, they're good.
Wait, no.
No?
No, I swapped them. I bought new ones. I forgot.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Damn, the sky behind you looked nice. You guys, but as you can see right there, these lights put in work. Yeah. It's light up, but you could still see the light, you know what I mean? But let's check out these. So we're gonna quickly swap them out. We're gonna pull the headlights off real quick. I think it'll just be easier just because the bulbs are pretty big. And what we'll do at first is we'll install one, show you the difference between the two, and then we'll put the other one in and show you how it looks. All right, guys, so specifically on the TL, if you've never changed your light bulbs or you don't really know how.
If you're me and you leave some out. So there's one on this side, 10 mil. There's a 10 mil up here, 10 mil right here, 10 mil right there, and a 10 mil right here.
Yep.
But like I said, if you're me, you don't put all of them back. So.
But if you're not Terry, those are the both locations. It's pretty easy to take out the headlights.
Oh, Phillips.
So, oh yes, and there's one Phillip that holds this plastic trim right here, and this plastic piece is what guides, well, it locks the bumper in, and it guides up to this trim support right here. This aluminum bracket.
Everything's gonna be LED at this point. Turn signal, DRLs.
Shout out to AUXITO. All right, so take those out. Simple as that.
Boom.
That's the igniter. Unplug it.
Pinch this shit.
Yeah, pinch those off the hook. Boom. Twist and pull, baby. That's it.
Yeah, these are brand new.
All right. That's what we're changing right there. The headlight itself. Oh, shit. So, it's pretty simple. This is the igniter. It's connected to the ballast. You're not going to remove it. You're just going to twist the headlight or the light bulb, the old light bulb out. Terry, do that. I can't do that one-handed. Boom. Now, if you look at this, quick comparison.
Fits.
Same thing, pretty much. So, the AUXITO one is going to plug in, this part is going to plug in right to your old igniter. Boom, done, snug. Now, the bulb itself, you can probably just tuck the igniter in there.
Oh, that's gonna be funky.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
So do I have to take that pack out?
You might.
Yeah, but like,
I don't think you need to. All right, guys, so it's in. If you can see right around there, there's a square cutout on top, and there's also little prong spots that specifically sit the bulb flush without it actually moving in there. So now you just got to figure out what to do with this and throw the cap on. All right, guys, with a little bit of patience and tucking the igniter nicely in there, you will get the cap to close.
yes.
And that's important because you want to keep out the moisture. So go ahead and pop that bad boy on, plug everything back in. Now we're gonna put her back in, just reverse the process, and we will show you what this one looks like compared to the other one. It's hard to tell with Terrence's turn signals on, his corner lights, but there's the LEDs. So here's a quick comparison for you guys. Terry, cover up that one completely real quick. Here is just the HID, one side HID bulb. And this is an upgraded HID bulb. This is not factory. Factory is not as bright. Now, if we take that off and cover this side, that's the AUXITO LED bulb, and that's just one. So, yeah, I would say the headlight's loose, but sorry. But yeah, I would say that's an upgrade. It looks good.
It does.
The projector line is clean. Nice. I dig it. AUXITO, you make a good product. I approve. Now let's get the other one in and we'll show you a final look. And that, ladies and gentlemen, are the AUXITO LED. These are D2Ss or
D2Ss.
D2Ss R. D2SR, I think. Where's the box? D2S and D2R. Same shit, but anyways, look. Now it's dark out. Now you can see. Cut off on Terry's legs. It's actually really clean cut off. That's part of the projector though, but yeah, no, they're really good. Real good headlights. So shout out to AUXITO. And guys, if you guys want a set of these D2Ss or D2R bulbs, the LED conversion bulbs, very easy to install, very simple. All you gotta do is click the link below. Click the link below. I'm gonna leave you guys a link directly to where you guys can get 15% off. So please use our link, save yourself 15%, get you some upgraded LED headlights. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and thank you, AUXITO, for helping us out with some new lighting, some new headlights.
Yeah.
Not headlights, but headlight bulbs. Yeah, close us out.
Bro, that should look crispy. It looks good though, like, especially as I clean the headlight. But alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. We gotta get out of here. We got things to do. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.